ID Systems is an engineering company. We first introduced a 4-day working week in December 21, and we needed a unique selling point to try and bring on a lot of new engineers that we needed for the workshop. And it's definitely worked well. Not one person's ever asked to change it from senior management. We used to work a 37.5-hour week over 5 days, but we decided to condense that over 4 days. Some of the older employees, they decided that they didn't want to work condensed hours, they just wanted to work 4 8-hour shifts. So we went ahead and introduced that as well. I think the employees seem to be happy in the working conditions that they've got now.
I work for IDS as a panel wireman, and I do a 32-hour week, which is 4 8-hour shifts from Monday to Thursday. And it's been one of the best things. I just wish it would have happened many, many years ago in my workplace.
The main concerns were, I guess, the managers thought over productivity. They thought if we were only working 4 days as opposed to 5, we would lose productivity. But in the trial period, we measured that and we never lost any productivity. If anything, we were maybe an hour or 2 up in some of the things that we built, so it was actually very positive. I think they're using the free time, spending it with their family. They like to play golf and various things. They just like the whole idea that they've got 3 days home time and 4 days work time, which is a good, even work-life balance, I think.
In the summer months, it allows me to maybe potter about in the garden and do a bit of weeding, general duties in the garden on the Friday, but the real benefit is that then I get to spend Saturday and Sunday in the garden with my grandchildren, and without this 4-day working week, that would never happen.
The 4-day week's definitely given a competitive edge over other contractors that still work in a 5-day week, that's for sure. We've attracted one workshop guy recently, John Daly, and he comes from the other end of Glasgow, and I think he's came here specifically because we've got a 4-day week. For anybody that's thinking about a 4-day week, I would definitely recommend go for it. I think you definitely get a happier workforce and everybody buys into the company a bit more, and they're definitely very keen to work for you.
I couldn't bear the thought now of working a Friday afternoon. The 4-day week is definitely the way to go in my opinion. Absolute no-brainer. It allows you time to chill. You're not stressed out when you're working 5 days. You're getting that extra day at the weekend to chill and relax and set up your mind again for going back into work on the Monday.